What was the history of eugenics and genetics? Have you ever wondered how the ideas of heredity and genetics came to shape our understanding of human traits? The history of eugenics and genetics is a fascinating journey that intertwines science and society. It all began with early thoughts on heredity and selective breeding, evolving into a complex movement that sparked much debate. The science of genetics began in 1865 with Gregor Mendel. He conducted experiments with pea plants and discovered how traits are inherited. Mendel showed that traits are passed down as discrete units, which we now call genes. However, his work went largely unnoticed until around 1900 when it was rediscovered. This laid the groundwork for modern genetics. As genetics gained traction, eugenics emerged in the late 19th century. Influenced by Mendel's findings and Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, Francis Galton, who was Darwin's cousin, founded the eugenics movement. Galton proposed that society could improve the human population by encouraging reproduction among people with desirable traits. This idea was known as positive eugenics. Conversely, he suggested discouraging reproduction among those with traits deemed undesirable, which was referred to as negative eugenics. This movement aimed to guide human evolution through selective breeding. In the early 20th century, eugenics gained considerable support from both scientific and political circles, particularly in the United States and Europe. Organizations like the American Breeders Association and the American Eugenics Society played significant roles in promoting these ideas. The movement was often framed as a way to enhance public health and improve society. However, the eugenics movement also raised serious ethical and societal concerns. It led to forced sterilizations and discriminatory practices against marginalized groups. Many of these actions were justified by the belief that certain traits were superior or inferior. This sparked a backlash and prompted discussions about the morality of eugenics. Today, the legacy of eugenics serves as a reminder of the importance of ethical considerations in genetics. As we advance in genetic testing and understanding hereditary health, it is crucial to learn from the past. Education about genetics for children is essential, ensuring that future generations are aware of both the scientific and ethical dimensions of this field. Understanding the history of eugenics and genetics helps us navigate the complexities of hereditary health today. As we continue to explore genetics, we must prioritize ethical practices and inclusivity in our approach. This way, we can ensure that the lessons of the past guide us toward a more equitable future in genetics.